Need of a personal website set up for a course creator. Setting up a personal website is essential for a course creator for several reasons. 1. Establish online presence. A personal website serves as your digital home on the internet, allowing you to establish a professional online presence. It provides a centralized platform where potential students and followers can learn more about you and your courses. 2. Showcase your expertise. Your personal website is an opportunity to showcase your expertise, experience, and credentials as a course creator. You can highlight your background, qualifications, certifications, and achievements to build credibility and trust with your audience. 3. Market your courses. A personal website is an effective marketing tool for promoting your courses and attracting new students. You can create dedicated pages or sections for each course, providing detailed information about the course curriculum, learning objectives, testimonials, and enrollment instructions. 4. Control your branding. With a personal website, you have full control over your branding and messaging. You can customize the design, layout, colors, fonts, and imagery to align with your brand identity and create a cohesive visual experience for visitors. 5. Build an email list. Your personal website allows you to capture leads and build an email list of interested prospects. You can offer valuable resources, such as free downloads, guides, or webinars, in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Building an email list enables you to nurture relationships with potential students and market your courses effectively. 6. Provide valuable content. Beyond promoting your courses, your personal website can serve as a hub for sharing valuable content related to your niche or area of expertise. You can create blog posts, articles, videos, or podcasts that provide insights, tips, and resources to your audience, demonstrating your knowledge and engaging visitors. 7. Offer additional resources. Your personal website can serve as a resource hub for your students, providing access to additional learning materials, course updates, FAQs, and support resources. You can create a members area or portal where enrolled students can access exclusive content and community features. 8. Enhance social proof. By showcasing testimonials, success stories, and case studies from satisfied students on your personal website, you can enhance social proof and credibility. Positive reviews and endorsements help reassure potential students of the value and effectiveness of your courses. Overall, a personal website is a powerful tool for course creators to establish their brand, market their courses, and engage with their audience effectively. It provides a versatile platform for building authority, generating leads, and growing your online course business.